Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampingwithamore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you are new, I post on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, and today is Quick and Easy Day, and we are making some cute little bunny baskets. They're mini bunny baskets, so oops, all the candy is going to fall out. So this is the little bunny. I have Happy Easter on the sides. Whoa. I knew that was going to happen as soon as I started picking these up. But they're so cute. They measure 2.5 inches long. They're 1 inch high. So I put a little bunny tail on the back side. But here is his little face. I love making these little faces, and I thought this would be such a cute idea for a little bunny basket. All these things are just going to keep falling, so just ignore that. And then I made a little blue one right here. He's got a little bunny tail too. And this handle I made a little bit taller, but I'm going to see, I don't even know which one I like better, which handle I like better on it, the taller one or the shorter. But you can make them whatever size that you like. Today we are going to make one that is Highland Heather, so it is this right here. And what you need for this is going to be a piece of 4.5 by 3 3/4. It's really easy, y'all, to make. And then a piece, I cut this out 1/2 by 8 inches, but like I said, you can make it the handle is taller, as short as you like. And you're going to need some scrap basic black, and I'm using Melon Mambo for his little nose. And you are going to need our layering circles, these right here, and they have the regular circles and the scallop circles. So there's a bunch in here. I love this set, you know I use it a ton. And the sizes of these, this one is I'm going to say 1 3/4 inch circle, and then this one is a 1 1/4 circle. So if you have a punch that size, those will work as well. So first we're going to do is make our little bunny. You're going to cut 2 of the small and 2 of the larger. I'm going to bring my little mini up here. By the way, this mini is on sale right now. So if you've been wanting it, you need to grab it. It's 20% off now. And then we have some bundles that coordinate with that you can use with this. And those are also 20% off. So you can check that out on my blog at stampingwithamore.com. If you just click the shop button, it'll take you there and it'll show you the sale items. And I think I even posted it on my blog too. So we're going to use this one today because it's nice and handy, and it's small, and it's just perfect for this. I love this little one. It's easy to take along with you if you want to go to a crop or anything like that. So we're going to cut these 2 out, and we're going to cut 2 of each. Okay, so super quick and easy. We got 2 of each here. We're going to make our little bunny face, and I am going to just use some wet glue. And these are going to be his little cheeks. You can make these every color. It doesn't matter. It's Easter, and there's always some fun colors out there. So I'm putting his cheeks on, and then I'm using our large daisy punch again for our bunny ears. If you've seen my other videos with the bunnies I made, I use the same punch. So it's the large one. I'm going to just cut off. I always leave a little bit that I can glue. So I always leave a little bit on here to make it easy to glue on. So we're going to put that on here. I'm going to give him his ears right here. Then I am going to use my 1/8 inch hole punch, which we don't carry this anymore, but you can get these a lot of places. I like the smaller eyes on him better than the bigger ones. So we are going to put 2 little dabs here. And I should have got my Take Your Pick tool. It's the handiest tool ever, but a lot of times when I do my video, I forget to bring them up over here. All right, so there's his eyes. And then for the nose, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut one little corner off of here, just a little triangle. And then I'm just gonna cut like some of the points off here. Just like this. And then I'm just gonna cut that tiny, tiny edge just so that it's not pointy. And then we're gonna put his nose on. Like that. And then I'm using one of my fine tip markers and I'm just going to give him whiskers. You don't even have to give him the whiskers because he's cute anyway, but this one's running out of ink actually. You can use your Stampin' Right marker too, by the way. That's usually what I use, but I had this one here. So that's his little whiskers. And then because I didn't want that showing there, I just put another circle on the back. So just like that. So it makes it just cleaner looking. All right, let's make our box. So we are going to score this, and we are scoring this on the 4.5 inch side first. We're going to score it at 1 and 3.5, and then you're going to turn it and you're going to score it at 1 and 2 3/4. That is it. Then we're going to cut in here. I'm going to cut in here. On that end, we're going to flip it around. We're going to do the exact same thing on this side. Super, super easy. We're going to sharpen all these because you know it's not a good box unless we sharpen these really good. Clean that off, and then I'm just going to use wet glue to attach these. Oh, before we do this, we need to stamp. I almost messed that up. We need to stamp our sentiments before we do that. So I'm going to use the Memento Black. I did that on my second one, actually. I forgot to stamp it as I was going. I thought, I better not forget that in here. Okay, we're going to stamp Happy Easter. And we're going to do it on both sides. This one is from our Easter Friends. So it's this Happy Easter here. And I did it on both sides because I wanted to be able to see it on both sides. All right, let's cover this. And now we can glue. Don't forget your sentiment. It's really cute with the sentiment on there. All right. And then we're going to do the same on this end. And now we're going to put our handle on, and I am going to put it right down the center here, put it all the way down to the bottom. And then, like I said, you can make this as long as you want, and then you can clip this. I think I'm going to make it a little bit shorter than I did the last time. I think maybe like that. I'll just clip off the excess. And now we're ready to put his little face on. So I put the adhesive on here because I want it to be on this little handle part too. And then you're just going to put his face on like that. And there he is, all done, ready to go. Fill it with some Easter eggs. I actually made my own little grass. I like to do that with some little thin strips of, I used Apple Green for this. I ran it through my crimper, and it's perfect for these little baskets, but you can just stick them in there, their little eggs in there. So here is a little pink. Let me see if I can take out, this one I put Hershey's Kisses in. Let's see if I can turn these up the right way and not make, oh, I can't be, oh, I forgot his tail. We can't because his little tail. So I just got these from my local craft store, the little tails. Don't forget his little tail. He's so cute. And I think wet glue works the best for this. You do have to be patient with it so that it does stay, but it's super cute with the little tail on there. So here's our pink. This one is petal pink, this one is balmy blue, and then this one's Highland Heather. So all three little bunnies with their little bunny tail. And it says Happy Easter. So I thought they turned out so cute. I think they're perfect for like a nursing home, for a classroom, because they're really quick and easy. And you can have your kiddos help you or your grandchildren. And it would be really fun to take to a nursing home or assisted living or something like that. I think they'd be really, really excited about that. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, this is my March hostess code. If you order, I would appreciate it if you use the hostess code. I'm still doing a free giveaways at the end of the month. I always pick a name for if you use the hostess code. And I always give away free hostess dollars. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.